At Bayer, we care for farmers worldwide, ensuring safety, sustainability, and trust in the entire process of farming. Drones improve pesticide application by ensuring precision, reducing waste, and minimizing applicator exposure. Proper safety protocols are essential to protect people and non-target organisms. What are some preparation and compliance checks that applicators must follow? 1. Follow pesticide labels for application rates and aerial use instructions. 2. Avoid spraying in windy or rainy weather to ensure effective coverage and prevent drift. 3. Ensure compliance with local regulations, including operator licensing and drone registration. What are some best practices to follow for pesticide application by drones? 1. Calibration accuracy for uniform spray coverage. 2. Inspect drones regularly for mechanical issues. 3. Maintain distance to protect non-target areas like water bodies, residential zones, and pollinator habitats from pesticide drift. 4. Establish buffer zones to protect sensitive areas from drift. 5. Apply in calm weather. Low wind speeds improve coverage. 6. Use nozzles that produce larger droplets to minimize drift risk. 7. Use drone data to monitor application effectiveness. What are some safety measures that must be followed when applying pesticides using drones? 1. Operators must wear PPE, gloves, masks, goggles, to prevent exposure. 2. Have an emergency plan with access to first aid and emergency contacts. 3. Train personnel on handling pesticide spills and exposure incidents. Let's protect our farmers and their fields. Safe drone applications today can ensure a healthier environment and sustainable farming tomorrow.